I'm going to be showing you how to ship on Facebook Marketplace using Amazon. So you can't directly connect Amazon shipping to this in an automatic way, but you can use Amazon as your fulfillment method. So it's a drop shipping style while selling on Marketplace with some important rules. So the first thing you need to know is understand how Marketplace shipping works. So you'll have two options. So that is local pickup, which is cash meetups, or shipping, which is Facebook checkout or manual shipping. So for shipping, you're responsible for packing, shipping label, and tracking number. So using Amazon to ship orders, which is the manual method, so this is the common workaround. So the first thing you need to do is list item on Marketplace. So you just need to go to Marketplace, tap on sell right there at the top, and tap on create listing. So over there you can just set a price, do everything, and then you can toggle this button on that says offer delivery, or you have this option right here that says public meetup, door pickup, or door dropper. So it's completely up to you, but what you can do is when someone buys your item, you receive order and address, then you can just buy an item from Amazon, then order the same product, enter buyer's address as shipping address, and this is basically drop shipping. So you can ship tracking, Amazon will deliver the item, provide tracking, you then enter tracking number into Marketplace order if required. So the important policy of Facebook is that Facebook Marketplace has strict rules about drop shipping. So it's not allowed when reselling items you don't physically handle the long term, or misleading delivery times, pretending items are in stock when you don't control supply. What you can do is sell items you source from suppliers if it's honest, and fulfilling orders through third parties logistics in some cases. So that's how you ship on Facebook Marketplace using Amazon. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.